Module Overview. This module provides a thorough, expansive examination of federalism and the constitutional division of powers between national and subnational governments. It investigates how federal systems are designed to balance unity with regional autonomy, accommodate diversity, and manage complex governance structures. The module delves into constitutional arrangements that allocate legislative, executive, and judicial powers among different tiers of government, exploring their practical implications and challenges. Understanding federalism. Concept and historical origins. Definition of federalism. Federalism is a constitutional system where sovereignty is constitutionally divided between a central authority and constituent political units, states, provinces, regions, each with autonomous powers. Historical development traces origins from early federations like the United States, 1787, Switzerland, and Canada, examining the reasons for federal arrangements such as managing diverse populations and geographic expanse. Theoretical foundations discusses concepts such as shared sovereignty, decentralization, subsidiarity, and self-rule. Two types and models of federalism. Dual federalism, clear division of powers with limited overlap, often described as layer cake federalism. Cooperative federalism, intermingling functions and collaboration among levels of government, marble cake federalism. Asymmetric federalism, different powers and autonomy granted to various subnational units based on ethnic, cultural, or historical distinctions. Fiscal federalism, distribution of taxation and financial resources among government levels. 3. Constitutional division of powers. Enumerated powers, powers specifically granted to the central government, such as defense, foreign affairs, and currency regulation. Residual powers, powers retained by subnational governments or the central government depending on the Constitution. Concurrent powers, shared powers exercised simultaneously by both central and regional governments, such as taxation and law enforcement. Exclusive powers, powers exercised solely by one level of government. 4. Intergovernmental relations and conflict resolution. Mechanisms for cooperation. Intergovernmental councils, joint committees, and consultation procedures. Dispute resolution, constitutional courts, arbitration panels, and political negotiation as means to resolve jurisdictional conflicts. Fiscal transfers and equalization, financial arrangements to ensure balanced development and resource distribution. 5. Federalism versus unitary and confederal systems. Unitary systems, centralized authority with subordinate local governments lacking constitutional autonomy. Confederal systems, loose alliances of sovereign states with limited central powers. Comparative advantages and challenges. Efficiency, flexibility, minority protections, and potential for conflict. 7. Contemporary issues in federalism. Federalism in multinational states, managing ethnic and cultural diversity through federal structures. Decentralization and good governance, promoting accountability and participation at local levels. Challenges of overlapping jurisdictions, complexity and confusion in law enforcement and policymaking, globalization and federalism, impact of supranational bodies and international agreements on federal authority. Case studies and examples. The U.S. federal system and landmark federalism cases such as McCulloch v. Maryland. Canadian federalism and the recognition of Quebec's unique status. The German Basic Law's federal division of powers and constitutional courts' role. Nigerian federalism and ethnic national considerations. Indian federalism's asymmetric arrangements.